My name is May. I am the third dwarf from the sun. I'm over shifted to the fast rotation sunspot. My name's Amaya. There is debate on discovering me. If it's even contact on a special observatory. After Musayaka and Namaka orbiting me. Hayaka is larger than Namaka. You see, 3.9 measures one day on my rocky surface. Did take me one orbit? My name's May. Yeah, I am the third dwarf from the sun. I'm over shaped to see the fascinations of as you can tell, I'm over because an asteroid hit me. It was 3.9 million years ago from here. I'm now a dwarf planet sun, and you can tell I'm spinning the oval. See, I rotate the sun as an oval. I also have a cone I see. And my name's May. I am the third dwarf from the sun. I'm over shaped to the fast rotations on fun.